Hey everyone, how's it going? Danish here from Dan Talks, and today we are checking out the Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. The Reno series has been extremely strong for Oppo for a while now. Simply speaking, it provides affordable mid-range phones and gives you pretty decent features. So let's unbox this one first. Alright, so here we have it. This is the Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. We have this in the pearl white version and the 12GB 512GB. So let's get this open. All right, so obviously first thing in the box, we've got this case. Oh, I hate these TPU cases. I hate them. Brands, seriously, if you're listening to me, nobody wants these. Put high quality cases in or just don't bother. Next up, we've obviously got a little documentation, the SIM tool and stuff like that. We've got the phone here. We'll come back to that in a sec. And inside here, we have a 100-watt charger. That's pretty cool. That is well appreciated. That is well appreciated, Oppo. And do we have Type-C to Type-C? No, we do not. We have Type-C to Type-A. All right, now coming to the phone. Let's just nicely open this up. And oh, nice, nice. That is nice. So this is their pearl white edition. And as you can see, it's got that textured design, something that we saw on the Huawei P60. I'm not gonna lie when I say this one is done, sorry, the other one was done better, but this is more visible and it's nice, it's nice. Listen, it will turn a few heads and you will end up getting a bit of attention for it because it is really unique looking. You see that? Do you see the texture here? That's pretty nice. I'll give them credit for it. On the overall, the phone's nice. It's decently slim. Yeah, that's there too. It's got this little design on top, which I'm not sure what to think about. It's not bad, but I'm always a fan of, oh wait, it's flat on top and it's curved on the bottom. Like, I don't even know. I don't even know, but okay, fine. This is just OCD kicking in, guys. Just ignore me, all right? But if you can see this, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but on the edge is here. There's like nice, like a little ridged. I forget what this is called when it's got a little texture to it, but really nice. I like that. And always appreciate having a nice flat camera bump. So it's got a bit of a bump, but it's still like nice and flat. So I'm sure if I put this on the table, yeah, not too bad. A little, like over here, not too bad. All right, there's a lot to check out on the phone. So let me just do a quick setup and let's jump right in. So here we have the display. Now this is a Full HD Plus display with a 120 Hertz refresh rate. So looks pretty decent to me. We also have HDR inside the settings, which is what I was checking out earlier. So you've got maximum brightness for when HDR videos come on. Now, obviously that won't completely show its way on YouTube, but let's check it out. Looks pretty nice, not bad. I will definitely give it credit for that. Looks nice, but then kind of also has a bit to do with the trailer. So, all right, moving forward, the phone is powered by the Dimensity 8200. It has 12GB of RAM that is expandable by 4 more GB with Oppo's additional RAM technology and stuff, and has 512GB of storage. On the back of the phone, we've got a camera with a 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel telephoto and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. I wish that 8 would have been a little better, and I will check the performance out as I kind of review the phone, check out the camera and stuff like that. If there are some specific things you would like me to check out, do let me know in the comments. And as you see, this is a small channel. I'm really trying with the long form of YouTube videos, so do like and subscribe. And if you have any feedback, feel free to let me know. Like I said earlier, the phone is pretty nice and slim, but it has a 4600 milliamp battery, which is really nice to see. I'm sure that would give pretty good all-day battery life. Obviously depends on usage, depends on the settings that you keep on and stuff like that. But on the overall, it shows some potential. Now the other thing to know about the phone is ColorOS 14. Now there are some really nifty features that come with ColorOS 14. Let me show you a few of them. All right, first and foremost, a feature I would think will be really useful for me is when, let's say you select something and you want to use it, but you want to use it later. You can just save it like this in what is File Dock. Now that brings me to this little dock over here called the Smart Dock, where you have a bunch of applications that you can use, but also you have the File Dock, screen recording, some really useful features that I think, at least me personally, they come in useful on the daily. So neat little improvement. Another one is this. So let's assume you have a photo like this. Now, if you know on other phones, Apple, Android, both alike, you can hold down and it'll select the subject. But where it loses out is when there are multiple subjects. Check this out. So here I will hold down and it recognizes that there are multiple subjects. I can click and select just these two, but I don't want anyone to be lonely. So I can select 3 and copy all of them. And again, save them to that little file dock I have. So if you do get your hands on the phone and you're looking for all these features, all you need to do is go down to settings, go to special features, and you will find all of them right here. So what do you guys think of the Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G? Now I know that this is just an initial look and an unboxing and so on and so forth, but tell me what you guys want to know. What more can I check out on the device for you? I do keep posting updates on the reviews that I'm doing on my socials, which is also Dan Talks, so please do check that out on any platform that you wish. But apart from that, thank you very much for watching. Obviously, if you liked, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.